Okay, let's add a photo. Let's add an image. So I'm actually going to make just a brand new post here. So if I go to posts, add new, I'll go to blank slate. I'm just going to call it, this is an image. So let's say you have a bunch of text here. You're going to have your document. There may be a reason for you to add a photo. I'm not sure. But in case there is, I'm going to show you an easy way to add a picture. Basically, you use this insert add image button. Your default is from your computer, so I'm going to just select a file from my hard drive. Let's see. I have one here called Ken Photo. It just automatically uploads it once you select it. Then title it whatever makes sense. I'm going to show you what a caption looks like. But you don't actually need to add a caption. It's up to you. Description you can leave blank because it's a search engine optimization technique. You don't need it. The link, this indicates whether you want the picture to be clickable or not. I'm going to leave it as none. Then I'm just going to align it left. I'm also going to leave it full size, but you can shrink it up if you wish. In this case, because it's so small, we only have two options, thumbnail and full size. So I'm just going to insert it into the post and let you have a look at it. It's quite simple. There it is. And you'll notice text will naturally wrap around your images. And there's your caption. Now, if you want to change it, here, I'm just going to preview it. That's what it looks like. You'll notice that the preview is slightly different than the editing view. Always use the preview to see how post is going to look. I'm going to close this window and go back here. If I want to change this image, maybe it's too big. You'll see that when you click on it here in the edit window, you can now edit this picture, or you can delete it. So I'm going to choose edit. So I can change the text I had. I can change if it's centered or right. I can even shrink it up to 60%. And I just hit update. And now it's small. Okay, I'm just going to actually delete it. I'm going to delete some of this. There's another way to add an image, especially if it's an image you've already uploaded. We go here to the right, add media. It's very similar. You can still select a file from your hard drive. It's the exact same thing. But now you have this gallery and this media library. If you go to your gallery, it'll show you any images you've already uploaded. And of course, this is a Ken. So I'm going to select it. There's a show button. You can re-edit all this text if you want it to be a link. I'm going to put this link on so you can see what it looks like. Full size, and I'm just going to insert it into post. Okay, now I'm going to preview it so you can see what it looks like as a link. So you'll notice the image look the same. The caption is slightly different now that it's a link. But you'll notice my cursor now changes to a hand, which means I can click on it. And when I do, it just pops it open as a photo. The reason that might be important is if your image is really big, you're going to want to shrink it up so it fits in this window. It's as simple as that.